following it.
My God, that was brilliant.
It looks brilliant on you. You just see a bunch of smoke and then a
Oh God!
Another big one.
Oh! I like that one earlier when it came over and all the sparks flew down.
Big one. Keep missing them all. That one was weird.
Thank God, that was the last one.
All the big one.
Following it. I like the one earlier, right where I was like, what?
Yeah. Like a shower. Did you get any of that?
Yeah.
That came down.
Yeah, I didn't get the other one that came down, but I got the one that went right back. It looks awesome on you.
Yeah.
I can feel there's something like sway.
Chest.
Follow it.
It's like when you go to a concert.
Whoa! Got that one, finally. Follow it.
Just went up again. Oh, big one.
Follow it. Follow it.
Oh. Could be good. Oh my God.
I like when them. Following it. I don't know which one to follow. They all go
So many
everywhere.
good ones.
Every time I follow a different one, the other one goes bang.
That one will be good. Oh, big one. Watch this one.
Oh, that one was really very good.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Oh, dude. There was one on the floor.
I saw a bit come down. Oh.
There goes another one.
The ones that look like they're going to be good always turn out crap.
Yeah, I know.
Wow, look at the fire now. It's nearly all burned down.
I've got 4 minutes of this.
Keep getting more.
Let's get the ones from. Whoa. Let's get the ones from Johannesburg. You know why the one from Johannesburg? The rocket actually is this big. It's huge. I saw one of them go up. It burns your ears.
I've seen one that... have you ever seen Lord of the Rings?
Yeah?
Yeah, you know in the
One
first one where Gandalf's lighting on fire? Yeah, you know the... the Merry Pippin steel?
Yeah?
Yeah, I've seen one like that before, and it got made. And it actually made like a dragon.
Is that it? Is that it?
Sure. They'll probably do a couple more soon.